Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn to Earn. I'm gonna teach you how to download Power BI, a strong software for data analysis. Just open Google and type Power BI, and then you will be directed to the link of Microsoft software. So here you'll get Power BI software. Now here is the dashboard of Power BI. You will find a link over here. To get more information, scroll down and you will find a lot of information from this page. On top of the tab, you will find a product and you will find the Power BI for desktop. Now click on and you will find a download free option over here. I'm also going to open the link, and here you'll find a lot of information regarding the system specification and other features which you need to download Power BI. To successfully download Power BI, we need to check our system configuration for smooth running. Now, back to the Power BI link, which we have already opened, and just read it and click on it and open it. Now you will be directed on another page where here you will get two information regarding two different files. So as far as the system specifications are concerned and my system specification meet to this criteria, so I'll go for the second one. So 64-bit. Meanwhile, I would show you the same thing. Just scroll down and see these two files are also mentioned over here, and you will get some information below this. So again, here if you click the download, you find the same link, and now I'll go for this. So here's the system specification. This is the minimum criteria for downloading or using Power BI smoothly. So just click on to the download, and now here you have the option to run the program. Now the downloading process has been started. It take a little long. After that, you will see once it's downloaded. So here is the Power BI, and you have actually three options. You can upload Excel file, SQL query, and you can transform your data on this. Now this is very easy. We have now downloaded the software. On the video on the right, I'll show you how to just get the raw data on the Excel and transform into a amazing dashboard. Hope you will find this video informative. Thank you so much.